Mark this World AIDS Day. Let us unite to reach all. We at the IAS want to highlight the importance of coming together to ensure that no one is left behind in our response to HIV. Our team underscores why we need to work together so that everyone has access to HIV prevention, treatment, and care. Key populations such as men who have sex with men, sex workers, trans people, people in prisons and other closed settings, and people who use drugs often face obstacles to using health services. These obstacles include stigma and criminalization. And new technologies are so slow to reach people in some of the most HIV-affected regions. On this World AIDS Day, let's reaffirm our commitment to compassion, solidarity, and equity for all. We must unite to support those affected by HIV and advocate for rights for all. Also, let us address the social determinants that fuel the pandemic and strive for a future where everyone has equal access to health and well-being. We have achieved so much, but our work is far from over. Let us draw inspiration from our past successes and remain steadfast in our pursuit of a world in which HIV no longer presents a threat to public health and individual well-being. Thank you for your support, and let's unite to reach all on this World AIDS Day.